Now, we're back with another video about the 4B, and I apologise for the fuzzy footage. My current phone that I record everything with is off getting repaired. This phone got some water in the lenses a few years back and has not been quite the same since. Anyhow, people keep asking about my Land Rovers. I'd like to say that yes, my good old daily driver, the 4B, she's still here. Still driving, still going well. There's some chicanery going on in the dash, and I probably need to change the thermostat and the temp gauge and a whole bunch of other stuff. Never-ending list of things needs to happen with it, and a bunch of cleaning. We've also got a pile of parts down here that I have not had the headspace to do anything with yet, and a seat that somebody dropped off here for somebody else to pick up more than a year ago, and that hasn't happened, so I have to find that guy too. But yes, there is work to be done. It's still here. It's not going anywhere, and so don't panic. Much like the 6B, I haven't got rid of it. Somewhere along the line, somebody got the idea that I was selling the 6-wheel drive, and my answer was pretty much over my dead body. So, all still here, all still doing its thing. Things do need a little bit of TLC. The 4B has kind of got the back burner because the bulk of my attention has been on the 6-wheeler. It'll probably be around about August when Peter Middo comes down again, and we get stuck into that. He usually shows up around about August. I may be in New Zealand at some point, so I'm not sure how that schedule is going to work out. But expect some more videos around about that time. Any case, I just wanted everybody to know, don't panic about the 4B. It's still here. We still love it. It's not going anywhere. Jeep, on the other hand, it's got problems. All sorts of little problems we've got to fix. We'll get to them all. Anyway, I hope you can tolerate the fuzzy footage. We'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I'll actually do something meaningful with these vehicles. See you later, and give us a like and subscribe, and you'll see more of this stuff if you do.